Hi, I'm Jeff with Chandler Systems, and today we're going to talk about changing the lamp in one of our ultraviolet disinfection systems. So the lamps in these systems need to be changed every 9,000 hours, which is 375 days. And when you need to change it, it will let you know. Right? We have two different kinds of controllers. If you have a deluxe controller like this one with the full color digital display, it'll have a picture of a calendar that will count down the days, and it'll tell you when you have no days remaining. It'll beep and say it's time to change your lamp. If you have the more simple controller that just has a red digital display, it'll just count down from 375 to 0, and then it'll start showing negative numbers each day after it's expired. And it again will beep at you and let you know that it's time to change the lamp. If you don't know what lamp you need for your system, on a controller like this, you can just click the button and you'll see a list of replacement parts, the lamp, the sleeve, the controller. You'll also see this printed on the sticker on the side of the controller. So even if you don't have the color display, you'll still have the sticker on the side of the controller that will tell you what parts you need. The first thing you want to do is unplug the power from your system. Next, you'll want to remove this captive ground lug screw. And then just push down, and it's just a quarter turn. You push down and twist and it'll pop up. Go ahead and detach the socket from the lamp, and watch out, the lamp may be hot. So be careful. It's recommended to wear gloves and only touch the lamp from the ceramic ends. Pull it straight up and out, and you'll want to discard your old lamp. Then take your new lamp, and again, being careful to only touch the ceramic ends and not any of the glass. Take the lamp and just drop it straight down in. Reconnect the socket end. Now it's keyed, so you can only put it in one way. And again, this is just a quarter turn connection, just down and twist, and you'll feel that lock into place. Next, you want to replace the ground lug screw. And before you power it up, it's important that you replace the lamp key. If you have a deluxe controller like this with the key in it, your new lamp will come with a new key, and it's usually attached to the pins on the end of the lamp. So you'll see it when you unpackage the lamp, take the shrink wrap off of the end of it, you'll take this key, pull the old one out of the controller and discard it, and put the new one in. If you have a controller that doesn't have a key, disregard that, but if it has a key, it will not properly reset until the key is replaced. So with the new key installed, go ahead and power it up, and your screen will go through the reset sequence. If you've got a model that doesn't use a key, you just go ahead and plug it in and then press and hold the button to reset. But for the models that take a key, once you change the key and plug it in, that's all that you need to do.